Hello everyone, welcome back to HTML lesson with Jevizo Audio Official. So in this video, as you see in the HTML title, we're going to deal with table in HTML, how to create a table in HTML. So before starting, let me tell you about these tags that we're going to use to create a table. As you see, the first tag is what you call table tag. You see, we have to open and close table tag. So the second one is what you call caption. This caption is used to create a table caption or table title, right? The third one is table header. You see, this th means table header. This tag is used to create table headings. And also this third one is what you call table row. This tag is used to create table rows. I think everyone is able to differentiate table columns and table rows. So this one is used to create table rows, and this table data is used to create the data cell, right? Actual data, you see. So for example, see on this side, this table in this Microsoft Word, it shows the response. It's called response. This response is what you call caption here, right? So then these are what you call table headings, right? So to create these table headings, we use this tag table header, right? So to create a table row, this is to create table rows. Table rows, for example, this is a table row 1, table row 2, and so on and so forth. So for table data is used to create the data cell. Data cell, for example, is this element in this cell. For example, this HTML is cell, this progress is cell. That's an example of cells. So let us now create like this table by using HTML program. But now we are going to do how you can create the schema of table, right? Table schema. We are going to create the caption and table headers, and in the next video I will show you how you can now insert the data cell in the created table, right? So without delaying, we have to start with table, and now we can now make it bolder with like 5. You see, this 5 is like the border of that table. Then we have now to close this table. We have to put here E, right? So now after this, we have now to create table headings, right? But first of all, to create table headings, we use table row tag, like this table row. You see, table row. Then here, now table header. Now here, let us try to insert our headings in the table. In the table here by using table header. You see, now we can also close our table. The first header or title is called still title, like this. This is our heading 1. So to create the schedule heading, let us copy and paste this here, then call it schedule, like this. Then also for third one, we have to put here table header, like this, and then last one is percentage. You see, now has also this symbol of percent here, like this, as you see in our table. Now we already created these table headings, right, by using table heading tag. But I forgot to create this table title or table caption. So to create it, we have to come here and create by using caption as I showed above. Then it's called reson. You see, reson is, and this uses cascading style sheet style, which is font family. As you see, font family, this one with Time New Romanes, like this, right? So This is our table. This is our table. Let us run it and show you how we display an output. Right? Click here and then open in browser. This is our output. We already created these ones you see here, which is title, schedule, and percentage. As you see here, title, schedule, and percentage. These are headings. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one, where I will show you how you can now insert the table cells or data in the table which is already created.